The Puducherry Legislative Assembly is the unicameral legislature of the Indian Union Territory of Puducherry, which comprises 4 districts: Puducherry, Karaikal, Mahé, and Yanam. The Legislative Assembly has 33 seats, of which 5 are reserved for candidates from scheduled castes, and 3 members are nominated by the Government of India. 30 out of 33 members are elected directly by the people on the basis of universal adult franchise. Geographically, the area under the Puducherry Utah consists of 3 disjointed regions, with Puducherry and Karaikal districts surrounded by districts of Tamil Nadu, Yanam district an enclave of East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh, and Mahé district bordered by districts of Kerala. The 4 districts were ruled by French before they were integrated into India in 1962. For ease of administration, during French rule, the area under these 4 districts was divided into 39 assembly constituencies. After becoming a Utah of India, Puducherry was divided into 30 assembly constituencies, which were restructured in 2005 by the Delimitation Commission of India. In 1946, French India became overseas territory of France. Then a representative assembly was created. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.